Thank you for interesting about logistics support platform. First of all, let's introduce you the three main keys of our platform. First, streamlining the logistics. An interactive map-based interface will let you streamline your entire process. From dispatching tasks to yours drivers, scheduling tasks, to tracking a delivery. It enables you locate your workforce on the map in real time. Second, communication. Logistics support comes with an integrated two-ways notification, which can be used to serve and update your customers about their delivery at regular intervals of time. And also help you manage your mobile workforce efficiently with instant updates. Third, data-driven decision. Analytics and graphical report feature available within the dashboard, helps you monitor performance of the workforce. Data can be used for decision-making to increase customer satisfaction, loyalty, and productivity. At your left, you have your dispatching portal. The logistics support backend, which will allows you to visualize all your active drivers in real time from your office. And at your right, you have your driver's smartphone with logistics support app. Here you have your dashboard where you can have a global view of all activities. Here is where you set the general information of your company's logo, your driver's app setting, your geographical location, and many more. That green button right here allows you to create new task manually, such as delivery or pickup. At the top here, you can use it for task description. For example, here our task description will be: deliver 1 AC Delco alternator part number 152798522. 2 pairs windshield wipers, Trico Exact Fit Standard Conventional Wiper Blade, 14-inch part number 14-1. 112-volt car battery, Duracell Ultra part number SLE51RM. And then we going to choose our task as delivery, which mean we are going to make a delivery of those items to a customer. We can use this drop-down menu to choose a customer, if he is already exist in our database. In the case when it is a new customer, we can put his information here, starting by his phone number, email address, name, deliverability window, and date. For example, our customer want his item to be delivered on March 16th before 10:30 a.m. Here we put the address where we are supposed to make the delivery. In our case, need to make the delivery at 12433 Spring Mill Road, Carmel, in USA. Note, as we editing the delivery address, it appear automatically on the map. For this part here, called pickup detail. It depend on the structure of your company. In the first case, some companies have a warehouse where their drivers get packages from. In other words, all drivers are dispatched from the company's warehouse to the delivery location. In that case, you do not need to fill up this part. In the second case, is when the company requires their drivers to pick up packages at a specific location in order to be delivered somewhere else, such as customer's house. In that particular case, you need to put the pickup detail. So in our case, my driver need his packages picked up at AutoZone store. Let us then put the pickup details. Here we put the name of the person to contact at the store. Here his phone number or store phone number. Here the store address. In addition, here we choose the delivery team. Usually teams are built according to a geographical allocation or task allocation. In our case, we are going to choose the team A, which is allocated to the area where this delivery is supposed to take place. Then from the team we can choose a driver from that team to get the delivery done. Here our driver going to be Frank Williams. To finish, let's submit the new task that we just created. The minute that the task has been submitted, our designated drivers will receive their respective job assignment through their phone via the Logistics Supports app. So before we check our driver Frank's phone, which is on the right of the screen, we going to give you a quick presentation of some other essential features of your dashboard. After we sent the delivery job to Frank, we have the capability to send him message that him alone can see by going here send push. For example, we want to tell him that he is running late for current delivery. Let put here running late. And here we put whatever message we want send him, Let put. You are running 2 hours late for current delivery, please drive carefully, the customer has been notified. As soon as we send the push, Frank will receive it on his app. However, if for some reason you want to send a message concerning all your drivers or specific team, you have that feature available to you, called Send Bulk Push. In this case, let's send a safety message to our drivers. Here is the message: hello guys, it been a hell of a day. Thank you all for being the top the game. The office being monitoring the evolution of the weather for last couple hour. There is a snowstorm moving south. Therefore, for your safety, all remaining deliveries will be postponed for tomorrow. Have a safe drive back home. Once submitted, all drivers will get that safety message. Now, after that quick overview of your admin panel, let's take a look at the Logistic Driver app. In that case, we going to use our favorite driver phone on the right of our screen. So, Frank, in order to get into his driver app, he needs to log in with his credential. Once login, he has his dashboard that show all jobs that have been assigned to him. Over here he has his calendar, where he can view all deliveries schedules assigned to him. So, from his calendar view, Frank can have an idea of how busy he is going to be in every given day of his work schedule, which will allows him to be prepared accordingly. Now, from his assigned jobs, Frank has the option to accept or decline the assigned job. Here, he has job detail. From top to bottom, he has the latest time to do the delivery, customer name, customer phone number, delivery address, and delivery details. In either case, once the job is accepted or declined, its status will be shown at your admin dashboard. Here, in that case, Frank accepts the assigned job. In the same time, your office is notified that Frank has accepted the job. Now let's suppose that Frank starting to do the job, which mean, he is driving to the path of the delivery location. Meanwhile, your office will be notified. After 10 minutes of driving, arrive at the customer residence for delivery, then he press arrive, which will notify your office. After arriving, Frank notices that the customer is not home, but his brother is. So, Frank has a feature in his app to add a note concerning the delivery process. Then, his note to the office that customer is not home, but his brother Mark decides to sign off the delivery. This note will be then received by your office. To finish with the delivery process, Frank will collect the customer's signature for proof of delivery. As soon as Frank collects the signature, your office will receive it as well. Beside the signature, we have an additional proof of delivery, which is picture. For example, let us suppose while Frank is in his to the delivery, the customer is not at home and left note to leave the package in the front door. Then Frank, once arrive, will leave the package in front door as directed by the customer. Then, he will be able to take a picture of the package left at the front door, as proof of delivery. And your office will receive the picture as well. Thank you for watching. For a better appreciation of the logistic support platform, please feel free to sign up a free 1-month trial with no obligation, no commitment whatsoever.